Hello and welcome. Today we are checking and fixing situation that why this Honda Civic's inside blower fan don't work in speeds like 1, 2 and 3 and only this speed 4 like full speed is working. And there is this our issue area, and currently when I turn off on this keys in here, and there is now electric in on, and I like to use this my inside fan, and I turn on this number 1 like low speed, there nothing happened. Number 2, nothing happened, and number 4, nothing happened, and then finally full. Then this air comes to flow. Okay, and what here is this now this issue? Why only one speed works in this Honda? And there is now situation that this fan's resistor, it has been damaged, and actually there is small resistor inside of this gap-in box, and this just inside in this actually behind and behind of this gap-in box in here, there inside of that area there is this blower, this fan blower, and there is this resistor. And next we need to take out this resistor because there is this issue, and because this is a very common problem in Hondas. This is also problem in I believe that Honda Accord, and and first we open this box in here, and then we take this resistor out, and then we will fix that resistor. Okay, and we continue. Okay, and next we are planning to open this box, 2 bolts that we can take this box away. And next you need that kind of screwdriver. Where is this crosshead? Because there is that kind of bolt. I have one example bolt, and this fits in there. And there is also this 8mm socket fits in there, if this is very thick. But normally you could open that screw in using the screwdriver, and these bolts are located in that position, and 2 are in that position, and 2 bolts are in this position in this resistor. Okay, and first we take those bolts out. What first is in here, and second in there, and let's go to look those bolts. Okay, we continue. Okay, and then we go to look those bolts, where they are located, what is their location, and their location is that in here, just in here, there is this first one. It is just in here. Okay, and then we need this screwdriver, and this is not so. Okay, and now I am Okay, and now this bolt is here. This was the first one. And then second one is just in there, in that bolt. And I insert that screwdriver. And then I use my hand. Okay, there was this bolt. Okay, good. And now we have take both of those bolts away. And then I take this in hand. And then this system opens. And just in there, when we look, there is this resistor. And this resistor's place, it is just behind of this cable. It is this black part in here, that one, and it is just in this black part. But where is this wire? And there are two screws, and this is this resistor in here, this black part what I am now touching. And there is two screws. First is in here and second in here, and we need for that opening. We need for that opening also this screwdriver. I insert this screwdriver in there, and then I noticed that my screwdriver is too big and I need smaller one, and we continue. Okay, and then I have here smaller screwdriver, this kind and that kind. I test this one first. There is this screw first, and second is there. Okay. I insert my screwdriver, and it seems that this screwdriver is too big. And I install this more. Okay. Okay. Now I managed to open this. And there is this first side is this, that kind, and then second is just in there. There is the second, and now second is also off. Okay, and there is this resistor, and this is the resistor. That kind of system. Okay, and then next step is that I need to take this cable out and a little bit move, and then in that side there is this compress that we need to press that in here, this part, and then then this resistor is off. And this part is the resistor. Okay. And there is also this, there is this resistor, those cables, and then we go to look this resistor a little bit closer. And this part controls this fan speed. What is the fan speed? And just in there, if you need to change this car's fan, there is also, if you like to change, this is the car's fan in this area, this blower fan. Okay, and then we continue, and this was the wire, and there is this place where this resistor goes. Okay, we continue. Okay, and here is this Honda's fan's resistor, and this resistor works so that there is 4 speed, and here are actually those signs in that panel. And when we check this resistor idea, this is the first heat resistant material, and this is the second, and then there is third one of this resistor. This wire is broken, and this is the reason why now our fan, this inside fan speed number 1 and 2 don't work. And there are different kind of these materials, and this idea is that this is more thicker wire than in here, and now we need to fix that resistor, and there is 2 ways. First way is the fast way, what can last sometimes, and we will do that first. And this fast way is that we will connect these cables using our hands together, that we rotate those both wires together using tongs. And the second way is that we weld these parts together using this welding machine. But first we test that what happened if we only connect those parts in together using our hands. And this happens so that you take those parts a little bit in this upper, and then you need to do joint, and you can be creative, and now it seems that this goes broken, and I have to be more carefully, because this is resistant material. Okay, and this is something heat up material. Now I think that if I manage to do some kind of joint, it seems that this material is not very durable, and I think that if we could do, okay, now there is some kind of joint, and I try to be so carefully then then I could. And now I think that there is some kind of joint, and we can go to test that how this system works. And okay, and then I go to install this back in this resistor, this fan, and I test that how this works. Okay, and we continue. And there is this accurate picture that what this looks like. And this white material is I think that something heat element, that it takes this heat out, because this resistant part, they becomes very hot, and this is good to know that when this electric component resists this electric power, this becomes hot, and there is also those materials. Okay, and let's go to test that. Okay, and then when this our resistor has been fixed and it's ready to install it in back, we first install this wire in this resistor, and then those screws. Okay, and we continue. Okay, and now we have installed this resistor back in there, and then we like to test that how our fix works. And I turn off this electricity in this car, and then we check that how our and my fan works. And first speed 1, yes, it works, and then speed 2nd, and then 3rd, and full speed. Okay, and now we have fixed that resistor error, and then if you need to do some extra fixing, you need to weld this resistor wire even better and use some resisting wire material, and then this resistor is useful again. Or otherwise you can purchase new resistor too, it's also possible. Okay, and this was the video how I changed this and repaired this resistor in Honda Civic. Thank you for watching.